Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Oppo A16s. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here find the Firefox. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now we can customize the browser, so pick a different theme, choose your toolbar placement, you can sign in to turn on synchronization. Now select the privacy protection options, read the privacy notice, and finally click on start browsing. From here you can start using your browser, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.